just takes a couple of hits. So if you may remember when I did a video of this one, a few months ago, the the battery on this phone is only on 5%, so I don't want to make it, so I'm not gonna do it. So I'm not gonna make it a long video. I'm not gonna go ahead and turn the brightness off because I'm not sure if the recording will stop when I do this. You know, when you the thing that you do with your Android phones, and you see the brightness thing, the brightness setting. I'm not sure if this is wobbling or not. It looks a little bit like it's wobbling. If you're figuring out why this has this right here, it's because this is one of the first fans that my grandpa installed. I think that was like 1999, but there was no remote here, so to turn it on, we just use this knob like our house, and now we use this remote. Sorry, I had this runny nose for the last. I had this bad runny nose for the last few days. It'll get better soon.